The news now, where legal arguments continue as Mayor Byron Brown tries to secure a ballot line in November's general election for mayor of the city of Buffalo. Now, Brown lost the Democratic primary to India Walton. The latest arena in this ongoing court battle was today in Rochester. That's where we find Channel 2's Dave McKinley.
The 5 justices who heard this case listened to lawyers from both sides for approximately 20 minutes here at the Appellate Division Courthouse in Rochester. After his loss to Walton in the June Democratic primary, Mayor Brown, while organizing a write-in campaign, also sought to be placed on the ballot on an independent line. The problem? State law amended in 2019 when primaries were moved from September to June, which also moved the deadline for filing independent nominating petitions to late May. A judge here ordered Brown's name be placed on the ballot anyway, after Team Brown convinced him that part of the law was unconstitutional. Walton's team, in seeking to overturn that, brought the case before this panel of appeals judges, where the Brown campaign was represented by Brian Sells, an Atlanta, Georgia-based lawyer specializing in voting rights and election law.
Our injury here is the premature cutting off of opportunity for a legitimate candidate around whom the voters have coalesced.
Well, for a candidate who has no intention of running on any party but the Democratic line, who then loses the primary unexpectedly and then wants to change course, that's what you're really saying.
The point raised by the liveliest of the 5 judges is one raised by lawyers for Walton.
I mean, Mr. Brown could have easily complied with this deadline if he had any intention of running independent lines.
You want to run as an independent? You can. You want to run as a Democrat? You can. You want to run as both at the same time? You can. They chose not to, and now they're trying to get the court correct that political misjudgment.
The appellate division often takes weeks to issue rulings, but it can't here because the deadline for the Board of Elections to send out military ballots is just 2 days from now. And complicating matters further, a still unresolved federal court case which also ruled in favor of Brown, but which is also being appealed. Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.